Ian, how's it going, buddy? I'd really like to buy some dog biscuits for Satori. Can you go get me some dog biscuits? Yeah, great. I got some money for you, but you gotta go get the biscuits. All right. Excited, Satori? We got Ian's dog biscuits. Okay, I got some money for you. On the cap, all right. We'll put that here, and here's your money. Thank you very much, sir. And I'll take these. Thank you. Would you like to give one to Satori? Yeah, okay. Ian's got the treats, Satori. Right here, buddy. You want me to give them to you? I know, he can kind of snip your fingers, huh? Good boy. Thank you, Ian.
There, that's nice. So now what do you do with your dollar, Ian? Do you know where to put your money?
Let's see, I think we put it back in here. You want to put the money in here, in your bank? Great, thank you.
Very good. Thank you, Tim. Excellent job.
You want another treat, Satori?
Did you like that, Satori? Yes, he did. He liked it. Good job, guys.